In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use the Publish tool in the CHaMP Topo Processing Toolbar. So at this stage, you should have completed the entire workflow, so all of the steps under the Topo Processing menu, as well as all the QA checks, including the validate data. You should make sure that these are all green checks, or at least yellow. You might have a few missing bank full points. But in this case, we've got everything looking good. And so when you're sure that you've checked everything for errors and the data looks good, you can go to Finalize, Publish Geodatabase. And so here in File GDB, you want to specify your survey geodatabase. Under Topo 10, you want to select your tin dataset. And then Water Surface 10, you want to select the water WSE 10, and you want to usually pick the latest version. For survey instrument files, these are the files coming off of, for example, the total station. We'd want the job and then the raw file. So if I hold down Control and click both job and raw, that'll highlight both of those. And so I can click Open. And then for converted survey files, this would be, for example, the DXF file if you're using Foresight, or perhaps there's a couple of shape files if you're using RTK GPS. So when this is all filled in and you're sure your data looks good, remember you can only click this OK button once. You get one chance at publishing. So when I want to send my seal of approval, I click OK and then let this tool run. Now it typically takes a few minutes to process. It actually goes through and runs some QA checks to give a final status of the data that we can use for comparing start to finish metrics. And then it copies the data over into a location where the CHaMP data broker can find it and upload it to champmonitoring.org. So we'll just go ahead and let this process. And when the tool completes successfully, you'll get a success message, and we can click OK. And that's that. The data is published and will be uploaded to CHaMP Monitoring.